Today we're looking at a 2016 Toyota Corolla L. It's got 54,000 miles on it. All right, it's classic silver metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's a local trade. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, just a few scratches right here on the driver's door. Just going to point these out to you right in through here. Okay, I'll try to roll the camera a little bit so you can see them. They've been filled in. They've been painted in. Just want to point that out to you. Let's see. Rear of the vehicle's in good shape. Make our way around here to the passenger side. And those scratches on the driver's side over there, couldn't hardly see them at all. They blended right in. I just wanted to point that out to you. All right, same thing right here. Just another small scratch right through here. All right, it's been filled in as well. And then the only other thing I saw on the vehicle is right here on the hood. Just a couple little small scratches right there. And other than that, everything's in really good shape. It's a 16, 54,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner, local trade. The black on black door panels, power windows, power locks. Got your power mirrors right here. Okay. Got the dark gray, light gray combination on the cloth seats. Driver seat's in good shape. Just a little tuck right there. Looks like it's maybe been re-sewn right there on the seam of the seat. All right, passenger seat looks good. All right, no problems there. Got the center armrest here, the little tray there. Some more storage up underneath. All right, got your key right here. It is an automatic. Got your power supply right there, USB auxiliary, climate control area here. AM, FM, CD player. Okay. Got your Bluetooth on this side of the steering wheel audio on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 54,066 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the radio display. All right, this gives you a lineup of all your channels. All right, this is the audio. You got Bluetooth, AM, FM, CD player. Okay, you can hit the car right here. It gives you all the information about the car. And then you hit the setup button right here. That's going to give you all your apps. So you got general, voice, display, Bluetooth, phone, audio. All right. There's no backup camera. Okay. So we're going to scroll on down here to the climate control area. All right. Then once again, you got your power outlet here and a USB and auxiliary here. Let's go ahead and step in the back. We'll take a look in the back seat, and then we'll check out your trunk space. Door panels look good. Back seat carpet's nice and clean. No issues there. All right. Cloth seats back here look like they're in good shape. All right. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right. Let's take a look in the trunk. Carpet back here looks good. I'll stand to the side so you can see the depth of just how much room you got. A good bit of space in the back of this Corolla. All right, lift this up. You got your spare tire under there. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 15-inch steel wheels. Okay, got the nice plastic hubcaps on those. Brand new set of tires. All right, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2016 Corolla, 54,000 miles. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's a local trade. Got a little scratch here and there, but it's been touched up. It's barely noticeable. Things in really good shape, inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.